going on, guys? Going to be replacing the chlorinator tubing that goes from the chlorinator over to the return. And you can see the tubing here is all cracked right down the center. It was actually cracked a little more than this before, and I've already cut it, made it shorter to buy some time, and now it's finally seen its day. But the other one here is good. This one comes down, a lot of excess on that one, but that one's pretty solid. But this one here, we're gonna change it out. And it looks like our clamps broke. So I'll have to get a new clamp for that end. And I got some new tubing right here from Home Depot. So what we'll do is go ahead and hook this up. Alright, we'll start up here and start threading this off. Since that one there is already unhooked, since the clamps broke. So I'll go ahead and start backing this off. Okay, and down this end, it should pull off, hopefully. I'll have to cut it. There we go. Try to clean that out some. Of course, you want to save this nut right here for the new one. There's our new roll. Okay, we got the little port there cleaned out. Looks a lot better. Got our hose, got our clamp ready to go. Now we'll go ahead, slide this down over. And we'll get ready to tighten our clamp up. Our line, we'll bring it around, see how much we need. Probably going to take it back underneath again. Okay, got the hose cut and we have it routed underneath the pipes here. That way it doesn't come across the top here and block our valves. And you don't want to forget, go ahead and put the nut back on there, which is right here. But before I do that, I'm going to put some Pool and Spa lube. Pretty good stuff. Says it's good to use on O-rings, gaskets, valves, and any threaded parts, of course. I used it whenever I did this motor replacement right here. Replaced this motor about a year or two ago. I actually have a video on that as well. So if you have a Pentair WhisperFlo and you need a new motor, or you need to do the seal kit with the shaft seal, I have all that in that video. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Get everything prepped and we'll get ready to tighten everything up. Okay, here's our finished product. All good down that end. All good up here. Got the line ran underneath the valves and the pipes here, and it's up high to the pipes. Now it may relax over time and drop down a little bit, but I could always zip tie it up to the bottom here if I want to keep it off the ground. The chlorine really eats up these hoses here. But we're all good. Get ready to test it out. Right now that's down. Once I open this valve, we'll start flowing the chlorine. Okay, looks like we're good to go. Alright, that's replacing chlorinator feeder line on a Pentair 300-29X. Or any chlorine feeder for that matter. Same concept whether you have a smaller line or a thicker line. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next one.